100% guaranteed tips and tricks to get the flawless makeup look. Being a makeup artist for 10 years, I always like to apply foundation in dots on face and then blend it. If you want to take it on a spatula, if you don't have a spatula, then always take it on the back of your hand and then apply it with a brush or a damp beauty blender. Now next is never slide the foundation on your face, always use tapping motion. If you have taken extra foundation on some area, then use the sliding motion. Never forget ears, area beside them, and your neck. Always apply foundation on these areas to get that one tone look. Now, never apply the foundation on your under eyes and on your laughing lines around the mouth area. Always take whatever is left on the beauty blender and leave these areas only for concealers to get that non-patchy and very seamless look. Use the sandwich method. Before and after foundation, use a hydrating spray. And voila, that's how you can achieve a foundation with no cakiness and no patchiness. For more such tips, follow Neha Devgan Diaries and comment below what you would like to know next. Bye.